If you have been mining PIXELTAP by PIXELVERSE, congratulations. Today is a deal day. Today being the 18th day of July 2024, PIXELTAP will be launching its token today, but it's quite unfortunate that majority of you will not receive this airdrop due to some points which I'm to mention in this video. So if you're watching this video, I will advise you to calm down and watch this video to the very end, because you still have some minutes or some hours from now to adjust those things, just in case you have not get yours settled. And please, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button and make sure you turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my updates. Here in this channel, I give updates on latest airdrop and the rest of them, so consider being my subscriber and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my video like this. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's dive in today's video. Alright, first of all, I want to apologize on the fact that this video is almost coming very late, but it's not too late. You still have enough time to adjust this. This video was supposed to be active online since yesterday being the 17th day of July, but due to technical error I couldn't upload. Guys, I'm so sorry about that. Meanwhile, another thing is that there are some things I will not be able to show the practical part of it in this video due to the fact PIXELVERSE have been having serious issues since yesterday, and I know some of you might have noticed that from technical work and the rest of them. So there are some things I will not be able to show the practical part of it, but kindly watch this video and make sure you follow the step in this video, right? Make sure you follow the step just in case your own start working, because I know few hours from now everything will be okay. So guys, like I said, there are some things which will actually hinder you from receiving this airdrop, and if you haven't done this, I will advise you to start doing that immediately after watching this video. And another thing to take note of, which is going to be one of the reasons why you will not receive this airdrop, is to know the fact that PIXELTAP by PIXELVERSE has mobile and web version. The mobile version is that particular one which you have been playing from your Telegram app. That is the mobile version, and they also have the web version which we know as the dashboard. And how do you do that? It's either you go through Telegram or you go to your any of your choosing browser and search for PIXELTAP, and you will see the domain there. Let me do that. So if you are searching from your browser, that is pixeltapgame.com, this is what you will see, and you can see how the interface looks like. PIXELTAP game. So to access your dashboard, you come to these three horizontal lines right here and click on it. You can see PIXELTAP dashboard daily combos. So you go ahead and click on the dashboard here, and you can see right here dashboard of PIXELVERSE.xyz, right? And you can see this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. You can see here my profile, referrals, and pets. So this is how your dashboard looks like, right? So guys, in this video, let me continue to list the main reason why you will not participate in this airdrop. So point number one is the game level. Yes, your level in the game. So if you know you are on level 1, forget about this level 1 you are seeing. This is due to the technical error. I believe some of you are experiencing the same thing. Some of you have reached the level of 10, level 10, and even below that, but you can see from there, I know you are seeing the same thing here, level 1. So in anything you do, make sure you are not in level 1. Yes, if you are in level 1, PIXELVERSE is not going to give you the reward. And point number 2 is make sure you have connected your wallet. Yes, make sure you have connected the wallet which you want to use to claim this airdrop. And how do you do that? You come to this place next after my name there. So you click on here and you can say I have connected my wallet. If you haven't done that, make sure you do that as you are watching this video. Rush now and connect your wallet. And taking me to point number 3, make sure you have some pix points here on your dashboard. So how do you do that? So you click on these two horizontal lines right here, and you can see here task. So you go ahead and click on the task. So once you click on the task, you can see all these things here. You have to do all this in and gain some pix points for yourself. You can see this one here. They are asking you to follow their TikTok account. So you go ahead and click on the go to, and you'll be navigated to their TikTok account where you will follow them. Then come back here, and automatically this 3000 pix will be added to your pix points. So in anything you do, guys, use these few hours to complete this task. They are numerous here, so go ahead and do all this, right? That is my point number 3. And going to point number 4, make sure you have linked your Telegram accounts on your dashboard. And how to do that, I have already linked mine, so there is no how I could have done that in this video. But if you haven't done that, join my WhatsApp group via the link in the description. I'm going to guide you through on how to do that, just in case you haven't done that, right? So ensure your dashboard is connected or linked to your Telegram accounts. That is point number 4. And going to point number 5, make sure the username you are using on your dashboard is same as the username on your mobile app. That is from Telegram. If you are using Emmanuel on the web version, make sure the mobile version is the same. Don't use Emmanuel here on the web version, then on the mobile app you are using Joseph. That is definitely going to disqualify you from participating in the airdrop. Alright fam, so thank you for taking out your time to watch this video, and don't forget, if you are having any challenge, endeavor to join my WhatsApp group via the link in the description, and make sure you apply everything you have just watched in this video if you must participate in this airdrop. Don't forget, PIXELVERSE will be launching any moment from now, so make sure you do all this thing before the actual moments. I wish you all good luck. Once again, thanks for watching this video, and please, if you watch this video to this moment and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget, stay updated, because here I will be giving you updates on PIXELVERSE, the launching, and how to withdraw the tokens from the wallet to your local bank. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell to stay updated. Thanks guys, and see you in my next video.